Alright guys, right, and here we go, unboxing going on here, and this is the very first box from the company Oriflame, and I have covered my dress up with that direct tape, and here we go. Look at that lovely pink packaging going in there with the Oriflame tag on it. They're not looking lovely. Oh yeah, give it to me, come on, give me those packages inside, come on, give me those products, you know you want to. Me reading away there when I should be looking at the product, shouldn't I? Come on, get in there. Oh, there we go. That's some words for me to read later on. Now let's open up and see what sexy products we got in here then, shall we? There we go. There's the lovely catalogues right there. Oh my god, they look lovely, don't they? Sales and everything. Oh, look at that little red lippy stick. Oh, wouldn't get your lips on that, eh? Very nice. Just to let you know, there is an e-catalogue link in the description for you. Moving on to the next products now with the samples. Look at that, guys. And don't forget, guys, while the samples are being shown here, don't forget, always be safe with scissors and everything else and so forth. Always be safe, you know what I mean? These samples will be used in the live and also pre-recorded videos. There is an e-catalogue for you guys to go and check out as well. The links will be in the descriptions if you guys want to find out more as well and check out other products and other ranges we have online. So pop across and take a look. You might pick something up you fancy. We got this lovely face primer here I put on my face tonight. It's made a little bit soft and it smells lovely on the skin as well. Get sometimes. There you go. Okay, I got the one. Are you the one to buy one of these? Very nice, nice and pink. And speaking about a pink, I got a pink story for you guys in another video. But for now, look at that lovely lippy. Get that on your lips and get it round. You know what I mean? Bit of that sensual stuff going on, bit of kissing. You know what I mean? Or just marking a letter with your lips and saying, "Hey, I love you guys." You know what I mean? Hope you have a Merry Christmas with that card with a nice bit of lipstick over it. Look at that, a bit of. You know what I mean? There we go. We got the BB1 color in there now, and I will be using that probably in later videos. Got some more samples going on there. You know what I mean? That you can give the people for them to try out and all of that jazz. And here we are, some mascara for me to wear. Oh yeah, nice. And there we go, we come up with a final product, and there we go, and there we have it, guys, and that's what's in the starter kit and everything else that I will be using, and everything else I will be showing in later videos. You guys now have a nice day and stay sexy.